Dust storm is coming. There is a dust storm. It is literally right there because you cannot see the mountain anymore. Oh my God, the wind is increasing. It's gonna, we're about to get hit. Do you see that?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
This is insane. Dust storm is coming in though. Like, are you ready, guys? Here it is. Oh my God, there's raindrops. There is raindrops. Whoa. Come on. Dust storm. This storm is gonna hit. This is crazy. Dust storm is, oh my God. Look at that. Dust is everywhere. Oh, there it is. There it is. Dust storm. We're in the dust storm. Dust storm. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh. Oh. What the? Oh my God. Whoa. 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 Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, my God. Oh, wow. This is crazy. Oh. Wind is strong. What is it knocking over now? This is crazy. It doesn't even show on camera that much that we're literally in the dust storm. We're like literally in it. You can barely see it right here. Look at that, you can definitely tell we're in the dust storm when we get this way. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my. Wow. Look at that, you can see it. Wind chimes are going crazy. Oh. Like, look at this. This is ridiculous. This is crazy. Whoa. got more intense by the second. I just walked away for like 30 seconds and knocked on the chairs. This rain is heavy, and yet the dust storm is still going. Nothing is stopping this dust storm. Alright, I guess another view. It's fine. It's not really raining much anymore. It's like we're in between the storms. There's like 2 storms around. That's the first one. Whoa! Still sprinkling a little. Okay. Oh my God, heavy rain. It's still a dust storm. It is heavy raining. It is pouring right now. You can start to tell it's raining. Oh, you saw lightning? Oh! Wow! Oh my God! It is crazy!
I feel like monsoon season is here.
Yes! Oh my God! It is actually raining heavy now. Oh my God! What? It is pouring rain right now. Actually, all of a sudden. And the wind is crazy. Oh my God, it is raining. Yeah, it's pouring now. Oh my God, it's so hard to pay attention.
What is it?
Oh.
Oh, we got lightning.
Huh? What did I say?
We got lightning.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we got some lightning too. Oh. Oh my God. It is raining heavily now. The dust storm is still going and it's raining pretty heavy. Oh my, yeah.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, it is crazy. Okay, so dust storm ended because it's raining so heavily right now. Oh, it is? Oh, okay, I am recording right now. Oh. Oh my God, that is some lightning. Crazy lightning. Oh, it is a little chilly. But I think that might be because I'm just getting wet by the rain. Oh. Wow. Yeah, maybe. That's not stunning. But I did get an aerial flood advisory. Ah! This is so... Yeah, it is pouring, guys. Oh, that's thunder. That's thunder. Did you hear that? Oh, this is crazy.
Show me a tree.
Oh my God. Wow. This is ridiculous. Lightning. It is raining hard. Oh. Yeah, right camera. This is insane. You know what? One last time, guys. Okay, the dust storm has kind of died down. It is literally pouring. Okay. Yeah, AccuWeather lightning has been detected in my area. You can see that. Haha. Oh my God, lightning is crazy. For now it is pouring. Oh my God, it is pouring. Oh my God. This is insane. Oh my God. It is pouring. Oh my God. This is insane. Oh my God. Lightning. It is pouring. sunset too. Oh, drips from the rooftops. It is pouring. Sorry, okay, it's good now. Oh my god. This is crazy. No dust storm anymore because it's pouring. That is crazy. That was cool lightning. Whoa. Oh, which I was getting poured on. That's making some weird, different sounds. Wow, that's crazy. Flood, complete flooded. Well, it is night now. We're still getting some pretty crazy stuff. There's just some super wide thunder.